Hi folks, this is CG. I'm back with another video. In today's video topic, I'm going to talk about having more than one way to get onto the internet. And what I mean by that, what I mean is you got to have more than one internet browser installed on your computer. For example, if you have a Windows system, your chances are will have Internet Explorer installed on your computer. Now there's debates whether if it's a good browser or not. Some say it's decent, some say it's not, some say it has a lot of security flaws, which it probably does, but you know, to each his own. And there's certain applications that require you to use Internet Explorer, which could be a problem. Let's say if you don't own a Windows computer and you own like a Mac or a Linux machine, you're going to have problems using that particular web-based application. Particularly this video I want to talk about why the importance, because a few weeks ago, maybe a week or two ago, I had a service call to go on site for a client of mine. He couldn't get onto the internet using Internet Explorer. I said, Mr. So-and-so, do you have another browser? He's like, no, I just use Internet Explorer. I say, don't you use like Chrome or Firefox? And he explained to me that Google does some things to his computer to mess it up, so that's why he doesn't use it. I said, okay, fine, that's understood. So I get to his location. It was Sunday, probably around my mother's birthday, which is the 17th. Actually, it was last week, excuse me, to be exact. And I looked online to see what kind of possible solutions and fixes I can do to get his Internet Explorer to work. So I tried to reset on his Internet Explorer settings. I tried cleaning out the cache. I tried all these different methods to get his Internet Explorer working right, and it didn't work. So I concluded that it was malware that was causing the problem of him not getting onto the internet. So I ran malwarebytes on the system and cleaned up some infections on his computer, and I was able to restore back his internet connection using Internet Explorer again, and it worked fine, which was great, and it saved me a lot of time and a lot of headache trying to figure out how am I going to get this person back online. So if you have a Windows-based computer, always have more than one web browser installed. Firefox is decent, Google Chrome is okay. I use Firefox because of my bookmarks, and I like to have them synced between different computers and also on the internet, or the cloud as some would say, and I have it available on multiple platforms. So that's good in a way to use Firefox. Another browser you can use is Chrome, the ever popular Chrome browser, which surprisingly the company that I do work for has it on as a second web browser. You can use either Internet Explorer or Chrome if you like. It depends on the application. Like that's what I was saying about applications. Some web-based applications only work with Internet Explorer, and that becomes a challenge for, say, some people that don't have a Windows machine and they need to use whatever browser they have installed locally as a default. Like, say, if you have a Macintosh computer, you would use, what is it called? Safari. Or if you have a Linux-based computer, Ubuntu-based desktop, which is called Firefox as your default web browser. You can get Chrome, you can get Opera, you can get any other popular web-based browser if you like, and install it on your computer. And it gives you some sort of, I would say, assurance that you have more one way to connect to the internet, and you're not totally down. It's just that you just have the one internet browser that's not working correctly and needs to be resolved. So that's a tech tip for today. Make sure you have more than one way to get onto the internet via the web browser. Check out Firefox, check out Google Chrome, check out other browsers such as Safari, which can be run on Windows, and also Opera, which can be run on Windows, Linux, and I believe Macintosh. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, they may have a version for it. So check them out. Let me know what you think of this video. Until then, take care. And be safe while you're out there on the internet.